Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, Euro dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and as you can see that after the market opening, there is not much craziness, volatility in the market, a typical Monday market. Right now DXY is standing at 105.70. This is the current market price of DXY here, and as we have already discussed in my previous video, that DXY is almost standing at a resistance, dynamic resistance here. So if DXY reverses from here, then yes, we will see further upside on the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD and others. But one thing we cannot deny, that overall DXY is an uptrend, and this is just a part of the correction on the higher time frame. And moreover, this also looks like a falling wedge pattern. So if market continues or follows this wedge pattern here, then we will see an upside on DXY by today or tomorrow or by in this week. And yes, there will be further correction on the chart of Euro dollar or Euro USD again. And few experts are also of the opinion that Euro USD will be touching these levels soon again. Okay, so let's wait and watch, and let's wait for a chart to speak so that we get a clear idea. But my dear friends, I'll just request all of you to trade with proper analysis, and please do not compromise with your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and do not be a gambler, be a trader. So keep your one eye on DXY, and now let's head towards the Euro USD. So as we can see, that Euro USD is also very much flat here, not much craziness or volatility in the market. Euro dollar standing at 1.0254. this is the current market price here, and more or less it is standing at the 50 moving average. More or less it is standing at a 50 moving average here. So 50 moving average is a beautiful dynamic support or resistance, okay, in the forex market. But the main problem with the moving average is that it does not work in sideways market, and Euro USD right now is the perfect example of a sideways market here. So as a result, we cannot trust the moving average here to act as a dynamic support. So my dear friends, please be careful. Please be careful with the chart of Euro USD if you're considering a buy position here. I think that we should be waiting for the European session or US session to get a clear idea about the direction of the market here. Otherwise, my position is same. Okay, if you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, where I have discussed in detail about the chart. Okay, I will not be repeating the same stuff here. Okay, I think the best support level is around this 1.0210 to 1.0200. This is the best support zone for me. If market comes down to this level and bounces, I'll definitely consider a buy position here. And on the other hand, if there is a heavy selling in the market, then my next buying position will be around this level. This will be my second support for Euro USD. I'll strictly avoid taking a position here, because right now we do not have a clarity in the market. Okay, so this is my first position where I'll be considering a buy position here. If market bounces from here, well and good, we can definitely go for a buy position. In case market breaks it, I will still not go for a sell position. I will wait for the market to approach the second support of 1.0160. okay, and then we have 1.0100. so these are the three important support levels on the chart of Euro USD that we can consider as reliable support in the market. The resistance is still the same, the previous highs made by the market. If you find market going up and reversing from this level, forming a triple top, then only go for a sell position. If you see that just like the previous times, market is struggling near the resistance, market is unable to cross the high, if price is being rejected from above, then only take a sell position at the resistance. Otherwise you can just avoid it. Never ever forget that no level is permanent in the market, but it is our first priority to protect our hard-earned money. So do not gamble. Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday for detailed analysis. Hopefully you understood. Please follow proper risk management. I can be wrong as well, my analysis can be wrong as well, but you should not be losing 50-60% of your capital simply because a ball trader said that. Okay. Okay, please do your own calculation. Okay, because in my trading journey, okay, what I have learned so far is that a trader cannot succeed without a good risk management. Okay, so please never ever compromise with that. Bye bye, take care.